Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change email password on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change your email password, so let's see how can you do that. There is two different ways. The first way is that you have to open up your browser and here they select Gmail or email.com. Just search for that and you just have to open the first website, and from here you have to select your Gmail account and then you can easily change your Gmail account password. Or there's a second way, you have to open up your app store, go for search, and here you have to search for Gmail or email, which one you want. And and from here you have to install the application, and once you have installed you can easily change your password from there. So in my case I'm going to use my browser, and here you have to simply select your account of which you want to change your Gmail. Once you have selected, here you have to enter your password to verify. First you have to log in, and here you have to enter your current password. And once you have entered your password, you can easily access your Gmail account here, or you can easily use your Gmail app. And here just select the specific account. Once you have selected, you just have to tap on it, then tap on manage your Google account, and here you have to select security, and here you have to select the password option, and from here you can easily change your password. So that's how you can easily change your email password on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.